We've had this Hooga red light for 3 years now, and the whole reason that I bought it initially is I tried my sister's, she had one and she recommended that I try it for skin support. I had a little bit of dry skin that needed some attention, and so I tried hers and immediately helped. So I went home and I bought my own, and now my parents actually have one as well because it's worked so well for us. We've recommended it to lots of people, and it is pretty fascinating, the research that is behind red light and the benefits of that. So I encourage you to look that up. And if you are in the market for getting a red light for needs that you have at home, this particular one I love because the cord is about 4 feet long and you can easily put it on any location that it needs to go, or you can just set it down and shine it at a wall to have some gentle red light to not disrupt your circadian rhythm and things like that. But if you are in the market for a red light, this one has worked incredibly well for us, and I would recommend it to anybody.